I've instructed those who believe in me, those who believe in what we do, not to abuse Ruto, not to abuse Raila, not to abuse Gachagua, but to impress each other. We need some kind of talk to Kenyans. We don't need to abuse each other. We need to tell Kenyans what we can do for them. And collectively, not just somebody. I can see a lot of my friends and my colleagues are now coming up to form groups to take over power. Yes, it's a good thing. But none of them has ever come to me to ask me what Roots Party stands for. That's why I'm not joining any of those fellows. Thank you. The next question? Say? Raila is an enigma, and Raila is a spirit. And Raila is one person who can climb a mountain without looking at it. He's not somebody that you cannot describe Raila. That's what I'm trying to say. He's the spirit. He's not dead, he's just sleeping because his spirit is well alive. Thank you. We don't need to speak about general elections now. Let's speak about burying the enigma, then we shall talk about any other thing. He's my friend. Yeah, I lived with him in London. He's a man who loved laughter. And he's a man who never got annoyed. But when he looked at you, then you could just get a message and retreat in your system. He's a good man. Thank you.